Today, guys, we're gonna put filters in the air conditioner. So let's go. Not this. Why?
Because I need a filter in here, Reese. Look how black it is, dude. Look at the difference.
How is it black?
It's dirty. That's why I gotta change it, buddy. Gets all that dust and stuff.
Filter rate. Sounds like food.
Okay, see the way the arrow is?
Yeah.
It tells you that it has to go up this way, okay?
Yeah.
Because that's the way the air sucks in.
What happens if you do it the wrong way? Can it explode?
Might not work very well.
No, I think we should turn it on now. I think. Why?
That's good. Let's go this way. No, it's dirty, dude. We need it to go.
The heater?
That's for the furnace, yeah, the heater. For both. And it's where it sucks the air in. Your mama.
What about the air conditioner?
That's for both.
Well, I thought we were gonna do the air conditioner, but we did the heater.
It's for both.
Those are bird sounds, and Dad, I'm not talking about this.
Neither. Let's go. That one's all done. Okay, so you can stop that video.
Well, bye guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There it goes, and that is it.